Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to the second day of the vlog. We are preparing our stuff. Hi Shivam bhai.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. So this is what our packing day is going on now. Everything is getting packed up for the next ride. So this is where we are staying. So look at the greenery everywhere. This is where we had the dinner yesterday. Look at the beautiful view. It was raining whole night. Oh, I need to wear my slippers. I forgot that. So just have a look at the bike. So all getting ready. What's that? Oops. Yeah, so here we have the jackfruit tree, as you can see on that. It's really good. So we'll be packing our bags on the bike now, and soon we'll start the ride after the breakfast. So they are preparing the breakfast. So I do recommend everyone to stay here. This is the nicest place we have here in देवाघर. चला काकू येतो आम्ही. धन्यवाद. So she is the one who prepared the food for us. Okay, let's go. बॉर्नविटा. बड़ा है दूध की शक्ति. Okay, need to take right. Oh तेरी. अबे right. Finally on the road, getting fresh air. Wow. It's a really cool place. असा जबरदस्त रोड आहे ना भाऊ, एक नंबर. मजा येत आहे गाडी चालवायला आज. जबरदस्त. माहोल रोड घेतलाय भाऊ आपण. माहोल रोड घेतलेला आहे. जबरदस्त. चला असं वाटतंय कंटिन्यू रेकॉर्डिंग चालू ठेवा, पण तेवढंच होऊ नाही शकत आपण. I think this road is completely full of trees on the both sides, mango trees specifically. Now we are almost 20 minutes away from Harihareshwar, so we need to travel another 10 minutes, but the ride as of now is so pleasant that I can't explain in word. The patch of around 20 kilometer from Devi Agar point and towards Harihareshwar was awesome. The road is really good, and because of yesterday's heavy rain, the charm of the road is increased slightly. So once we reach to Harihareshwar, we basically will be taking jetty from there. Not decided yet, but I think we'll take that decision on time. So based on that, we'll update you guys. So literally we are riding near to the coastal area. This is how we decided to go. वाव. वी रिच्ड. थांबायचं आहे 10 रुपये. सो नीड टू पे द पार्किंग फीज. ऑनलाईन आहेत ना. So here it's like 10 rupees per bike they have charged, maybe for parking fees, I don't know. So they provided the receipt also. Kitichi diri? Okay. So provided receipt of only 10 rupees. The fees is only 10 rupees. He has provided on the receipt. But the actual fees he took is 30 rupees.
A few moments later.
So again here we need to pay the parking fees. तिथे ते पैसे कशाचे घेतले तर मग? तिथे पैसे कशाचे घेतले?
रिसॉर्टची पार्किंग आहे.
कुठली रिसॉर्टची?
बीच रिसॉर्ट, हरिहर बीच रिसॉर्ट.
एंट्रीला पैसे.
अहो तुमची ग्रामपंचायत काय करायला हे सांगा म्हणालो आम्हाला काम.
झाटा उपडा आले काय करायला मग? गाड्या नाही जात. मग कुठे जायचंय? आम्हाला गणपतीपुळेला जायचं. गणपतीपुळे मी हरेश्वरला आले.
ये तो लेटेस्ट न्यूज है.
हो हो माहिती आहे. इथून तिकडे जायचं आहे. सो हिअर ऑल्सो यू नीड टू पे 20 rupees parking fees for one bike. We already paid and we will go to the temple. Let's go. From Harihareshwar we started our ride again and we'll be going towards Bagmandla. That is the ferry point we'll be taking. We'll put our bike in the ferry and then we'll directly go towards Vesvi. So once from Vesvi we reach from that port, we'll start our journey. We'll resume our journey there and then we'll directly go to Ganpatipule. That is what the current plan is. So now it's like raining. It's already started. Hopefully we won't get completely wet because I don't want to ride like that. We have rain wears and everything, but I think it's only 4 minutes ride, so we can finish this. That's what I am thinking. The road is beautiful here also again, and because of rain you can see it is shining, and that gives us the motivation to ride more. So we'll be taking sharp right from here. We need to purchase the ticket, I guess, for this. Although it's not free. तीन द्याल. हां जाऊ का? तिकीट येत आहे का? काढतो काय तिकीट? Okay. So we'll be taking the ticket now and then we'll go. I think we have good space this time, not like yesterday. It was fun while spending some time there. We really enjoyed that. We almost covered 225 kilometers now. I think only after 10-15 kilometers we stopped. We loved the view actually there, and we thought of just spend some time and have a tea break. असे सुंदर व्यू, असा रोड, अल्टिमेट कॉम्बिनेशन. बाप रे, जबरदस्त. अजून काय पाहिजे. पावसात तर आणखी अजून मजा आली असती गाडी चालवायला. याच्यासाठी कोकण हे खूप फेमस आहे आणि रोडची क्वालिटी पण खूप जबरदस्त आहे. मनातून एवढी खुशी होत आहे ना की काय सांगू. सो इट्स टाइम टू रिफ्यूल द बाईक. वी आर ऑलमोस्ट 250 kilometers in journey now. So we'll do the full tank here and we'll continue our ride towards Ganpatipule. It's hard to find petrol pump here actually, so this is the one we found and that is the reason we came inside the town, and from here we'll continue the ride. So now we are leaving from here after some break. हाँ येत आहे आवाज़ येतोय. हल्का हल्का बूंदाबारी हो रही है भाई यहाँ पे.
A few moments later.
रेनकोट इज़ ऑन. मस्त बारिश हो रही है, एक नंबर. चला गोप्रो खराब होईल का तर माहीत नाही. हे गोप्रोला काय व्हायला नाही पाहिजे ना. एक नंबर मजा येऊन राहिलेली आहे पावसात आता चालवायला. I can't see anything after 50 meters, so I can still see them, but this is how it is raining hardly here. I'm still feeling the pain on my hands because of the raindrops, and you can see on the both side the water is like getting, you know, on the road. Here after 1 hour 30 minutes ride, so look at the view here. राइट घ्यायचा इथून, राइट घ्यायचा आहे. पाशील. Okay, again we need to get to the ferry. We'll need to keep bike here. Look at the weather.
A few years later.
Done. चलो भाई, गाड़ी तो चढ़ गई हमारी. अभी फिर से जाएंगे हम दूसरी जगह पे. जगह का नाम पता नहीं. लेफ्ट फ्रॉम द जेटी पॉइंट एंड इट विल टेक अराउंड 2 hours 21 minutes now. It's 68 kilometers. Completely raining. I thought here it won't be, but that's not the case. The ETA it is showing is around 8:46, so not sure whether we will be able to make it or not, but that's we'll see. Oh, it's already 6:26 here. Wow. So just a short update. Heavy raining is happening here, so we just stopped and I'll be just shutting off my GoPro now. We just had a tea, cleaning up the visors, and then we'll off to the Ganpatipule. That's what the last location we'll have, and that's it for today.